Our government, through the Ministry of Interior, will intensify moves to ensure that all businesses operating in the locksmith industry are licensed and well regulated. This is a move by the ministry to sanitize the system as well as save lives and properties. Head of Public Affairs at the Ministry of Interior, Alhaji Zak Musa, told Joy Business the time has come for all businesses operating in the sector to be recognized.
The idea is to let them know that they have to follow the rules and regulations or the laws governing their operations, because there are laws governing their operations. With all this private security rubber stamp, they must register or renew their license with the Ministry of the Interior. Our record shows that some of them are not, but they are in the system operating, which is against the law. You cannot operate private security business in this country without recourse to the Ministry of the Interior. So we are calling on them, all those who have not registered. If you have registered and your license is expired, come to the ministry and renew for you to be in business. Because at the end of the day, what we are doing is for the benefit of the country. And if you are not doing the right thing, then who else can you go and talk to that or ask to do the right thing? So we are all Ghanaians or the good people of Ghana doing business in this country. We are not in a monitoring exercise to sort of tarnish somebody's business or stop somebody. No, we want business to thrive. But at the end of the day, the right thing must also be done. We cannot compromise security in this country. So at the end of the day, the right thing must be done. So all these things, all these businesses, people who have not registered or renew, we are calling on them to come and renew or register with the Ministry of the Interior to avoid sanctions.